Here's a cold hard truth. Every second your homepage frustrates someone, you end up losing a sale. Picture this. A visitor visits your website, but your hero image never loads. They scroll for specs and the add to cart is nowhere to be found. And filters, completely hidden. By the time they actually find what they want, they are gone. What if I told you that in under 5 minutes you can transform any e-commerce website using nothing but AI? Stick around because today I'm walking you through gaps that plague these online stores and how to fix them step by step with AI. Let's dive in. Head over to Visit AI. Since I'd already signed up, I simply logged in and landed on the dashboard. There, select Generate with Auto Designer and choose the mobile app option. Quickly describe your project and then pick the prompt-based option to generate a design. After that, add your preferred style or you can simply paste this prompt. Within seconds, Wizard will build an entire layout around it without any drag and drop. Nothing kills curiosity faster than a menu that reads like a phone book. Your users want clarity and detail. Open Text Cortex AI and launch the Content Assistant. Enter this prompt and then simply replace your existing navigation labels and test on your mockup. Imagine landing on a product that you love, but then hunting for specs and add to cart buttons. That would be very frustrating, wouldn't it? Go to Code Design AI and click Start Designing with AI. Paste this prompt. Simply click Generate and the tool will build your layout. You can click Preview or export code. Now your specs are front and center and the add to cart never leaves view. Keeping filters off canvas is like hiding an ingredients list. Let's place them where the users can see them instantly. Go to teleporthq.com and select New Mobile Web Project. In the code editor, paste this prompt. Preview live and watch the filters chip snap into place as you scroll. Export the React or HTML bundle for your development workflow. Now your shoppers can refine in one tap. Jumbled cards are confusing and distracting. Let AI align your visual hierarchy for you. Sign into Galileo AI and select New Figma wireframe. Use this prompt. Export your wireframe to Figma or PNG and slot it into your design system. Each card now reacts like a mini billboard, clear, consistent, and compelling. Your customers want to feel recognized, and generic homepages are simply not good enough. Log into Brancho.ai and then go to Create App. At Form Fields, now in Flow and Logic, paste this prompt. Hit Preview and drop them into your homepage mockup or embed directly. Scarcity triggers action. If people don't know that the stock is low, they'll wait, but then forget. Open ChatGPT, copy and paste this prompt. Now copy the generated HTML or CSS snippets into your component library. Wire up simple logic to display badges based on your live inventory. Default sorting is like giving someone a blank map. Let's add landmarks. Visit Metaphor Systems and click on Try API for free. In the AI chat, paste this exact prompt. Watch as the AI returns smartly ranked product lists, record or screenshot the sorted output and include it in your demo. Stars are functional, but faces are relatable. Let's combine them. Navigate to Kittle AI's illustration generator. You can use this prompt. Now simply download and insert the illustration into your review section. Dense specs are daunting, but icons are inviting. Let's simplify it for your customers. Visit HemingwayApp.com. Pick the simplified text version. Now paste your text. Ask the AI to rewrite it, and then simply copy the refined output or ask for more suggestions and replace your original spec. A disappearing CTA is a disappearing sale. Let's pin it down. Open Replit.com and start with a new HTML template. In the project editor, describe your layout using a simple prompt. Paste that prompt in your description. Replit's AI will auto-generate the sticky footer code for you. Run and preview your page. Now your CTA sticks to the bottom no matter how far users scroll. Sometimes they need one more gentle nudge before they go. Let's set that up. Sign up at popupsmart.com. Click on Create New Popup and select Exit Intent as the trigger. Instead of building from scratch, open the AI assistant and tell it what you need. You can also use this prompt. The AI will generate the design and content for you. Customize as needed, then embed the script on your site. Now your exit pop-ups are smart, fast, and built in seconds. Comparisons should be fun, not frustrating. Let's build a swipeable carousel. Go to Builder.io and create a new project. Input this exact prompt. Preview on mobile, then share or embed the public link. And there you have it, All 13 AI-powered solutions, each one targeting an e-commerce pain point. Apply them all and watch your metrics soar. And tell us which tool gave you the biggest boost in the comments.